Hi everyone, this is 2010 Ford Endeavour. Just came to Autorounders for full car overcoat painting, and we'll be painting this car in company paint booth machine. So basically this is a 10-year-old car and it definitely needs a new paint job. Along with this, we're also gonna customize the interior too. So these panels will be in wooden finish, and we'll be installing the seat covers in premium composite leather. So guys, once the project is completed, we'll update you.
Hi everyone. So finally you can see this car is completely ready, and this full car has been restored. It's not modified. So when we say restored, we restore it back to how it was looking original. So this car has been painted in a company paint booth using one of the best quality products, and you can see, let me show you the gloss on this bonnet. I'm sure you will get a nice reflection. So this is possible when you paint the car in the paint booth machine, and also the material that you use is very important. So a lot of time people ask us why the painting is expensive, because the material is actually a very important part of this painting process. So right from the base coat, clear coat, everything that you use in this painting process has to be of a good quality. So apart from the regular painting job, very interesting thing done in this car is the interior customization. So I'll just show you what we have done in the interior. So you can see this is not the standard interior of a Ford Endeavour. Now this entire theme has been designed and selected by our customer. So as I said, we don't keep ready-made seat covers and all that. We make it as per customer request. And you can see this, the fitting of such an old car, but it's perfectly fit. The seat covers are very soft, very comfortable. These kind of materials are not easily available in the market. Even the touchscreen also, you can see we have installed DSC touchscreen in this. Apart from that, all the panel which had earlier wooden finish, which was not in a good condition, again we have dipped it in the wooden finish. And steering wheel, you can check, it's in genuine leather with wooden finish. And you can check the roof. The inside roof also has been completely restored, and we have changed the material because to match it with the interior theme. So guys, you can see the quality, that how perfectly this has been done. And this kind of job needs time, plus it's like, it's not very cheap also. So we very specifically tell that to our customers that there are options to paint the car at a very reasonable cost also. In case of seat covers also, you will get a car seat covers done at a very low cost also, but then generally we prefer that you should maintain certain quality and standard. So based on that only this entire thing was done. Even the scuff plate, you can see at the bottom there is a Ford Endeavour scuff plate with blue lights which we have installed. And while we do this kind of jobs, everything that we use, we ensure that they are of good quality. The steering wheel, as I said, is in leather, plus gear knob is again in leather. So everything that you touch in the car will be in genuine leather. The rest all is composite leather, and this is a very soft material. I think it's difficult to show you in the video, but when you touch this, you will realize that this is much better than what you otherwise get. And I'll give you a walk around of the rear side also. So all the parts at the rear also are painted as per the color code of this car. Even the Stepney tire cover has been painted in silver. This is how it comes originally also. So as I said, we have ensured that most of the things are kept as original, and the car looks like well maintained car. That's how we did this. Even the sticker on the sides also, you can see they are like original what you get from company. So guys, this car was done at our Mumbai workshop, and as I said, we have workshop in Hyderabad also. We have same quality, same people, trained people from Mumbai who are there in Hyderabad. So in case if you want to get this done at Mumbai or Hyderabad, You can call us on 7666 930 930 or 7666 830 830. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.